hang out, gang? It's Crypto Crane here, and today we're about to crank it back up and start trading in some of this volatility. And I got two trades for y'all today. We got Turbo, and then we're going to have Bonk. We have already entered into those trades, as you can see right here. I'll show you on this screen right here. We have already entered into those trades now. As you can see, we're up 42%. Well, 0.42% on Turbo, and we're about to swing this on Bonk. But I wanted to show you guys right here. We're about to get a pivot on Bonk right here. We could see a pivot here at 9074, 40974. That could happen in about a couple of hours here, around closer to 7:30, 8 o'clock. You'll see that pivot, and it'll pivot all the way up to either up this way, 9470, or it's going to pivot down this way, but more than likely it's going to pivot up. Okay, so we're going to get that pivot up to 9470 or to 9853. Okay, and this is on the 1 minute. Okay, this is on the 5 minutes. You can see we're getting bullish divergence down here, and it's giving buy signals. Okay, so we'll go ahead and look at that 15 minute. That 15 minute, and as you can see, that TDI or RSI started to come down to premium buy levels, right? So we always said that if it comes around 30, 35, you'll get a reversal. But the 70, 75, you see a reversal downward. Okay, so I just put in some longs on this right here, and I expect for them to play out at around 9:30, etc. Okay, so this is actually Bonk. I'm sorry, not Turbo. This is Bonk. And so I'm expecting that bounce to come down here. As you can see, we have a lot of support right here at this level. Right? At that level. We have major support at that level. At that level. So I'm expecting for a Bonk to come down to right here and then bounce and come back up to, like I said, 94, to come back up into this area. Okay? Or this area right here. That would be percentage wise from right here to right there, 3% scalp, or you could take it to right there and get your 4% scalp. Okay, scalp it in there. Now let's go look at Turbo. Same thing with Turbo. Okay, this is the 15-minute chart. Let's look at the 5-minute chart. So we get the 5-minute chart right here. It's coming down here to liquidity levels. And we'll get a bounce either at this first liquidity level or the second liquidity level. Okay. And as you can see, damn it. What I'm trying to do. We have major support right here. Right where we're about to get a bounce. Okay, because it's ranging right now. We have Turbo ranging. You have a big bull flag right here on the 5-minute. Right? And it's ranging. Okay. It is ranging. As you can see, we have this range, we have the pole, and we have the flag. And you can see the range right here, right? The range. So you can trade this range up and down, the volatility of this range, and make money up and down, up and down, up and down. So I would enter in that trade either at 154.95 or down to 154.38. All right, you can get a bounce at either one of those. Either one of those, you can really see a bounce. Okay, now you have one touch, two touch. I suspect it'll come down here and bounce right here and then go break through. Or if you get a third touch, it'll come back down halfway and then come back and break through. Okay, but we're going to get a breakthrough through Turbo sometime today. Okay, sometime this morning. So we are already in those trades now. We'll take a look at that right there, right quick. As you can see, going down, like coming down to a double bottom right here on Bonk, and then on Turbo. So we're waiting on that bounce. Same thing on Turbo. Waiting on that bounce and on that bounce. All right, so we'll have the results for you in tomorrow's video. We'll show you tomorrow's video. We will post the results, and we will show you exactly percentage that we made on the trade. And we'll start doing this every day. We'll post either 2 or 3 trades every morning before they take place, because the early bird gets the worm, right? So let's take a look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the 5 minute is flagging as well. Okay, it's flagging as well. It is flagging as well. And it's trading in this little range right here for now. All right, we have support right there on the 5 minute. It is trading within that range. RSI is looking over sold, like we're about to get a bounce now on Bitcoin. So I would be, you can enter the trade now, 10x leverage, something small. And I would be looking to get out of, let's see, I would be looking to get out at somewhere up in here at 98,000. 98,000. You could see resistance. Now, the thing about it is you'll have to break through 90,000, but if you break through 90,000, then you won't see any major resistance to like 93,000. And then, 93,000. If it breaks through 93,000, then you'll hit 93,413 before reversal. Not 98,000, I'm sorry, 93,000. So you have a potential to come back for Bitcoin to come back up to 93,000 before it falls back down. Okay. All right. Now let's look at the total Bitcoin dominance chart. As you can see, let's look at the daily. As you can see, the Bitcoin dominance chart is starting to reach overbought territory, so it should be a pullback, right? And you can see a pullback, a considerable pullback, actually, on the Bitcoin dominance. Look at the weekly on the Bitcoin dominance, and it's coming up here to this contraction point right here, and you're most likely going to get a bounce off of that and then fall back down. So you could see 50-something K Bitcoin, etc., right? Coming soon in the next couple of weeks. And keep in mind, any trades that we give today are day trades. These are not trades to be held on for a long period of time. Just day trades. All right, the total 3 cap, which is all altcoins except for Ethereum. As you can see, starting to have a pullback. It was going up this trend line. We did have a trend line that got broken, right? And so now it's coming up. The altcoins are coming up, bouncing up against this trend line. We need this trend to break this trend line for it off season to come on some more, okay? When it comes up to hit this trend line right here, and if it doesn't break through, then it's going to fall back down here. All right, back down. So you're going to see a more downside for altcoins, okay? We need to break that trend line. All right, that's the total 3. That's all altcoins excluding Ethereum. This is the total 2. This is all altcoins including Ethereum, and you have the exact same thing, right? Exact same thing. And you have resistance right here, right? See that right there? That resistance right there. It came up, it hit, it's coming down. It's stuck right there now. So I would be looking at the altcoins within the next week or two for them to be falling back down, right? For them to fall back down. So the rest of this week you may see some green, but it's probably starting this weekend you're starting to see the altcoins fall back down. All right, so keep that in mind. This is the total 2. This is all the altcoins including Ethereum, and this is the total 3. This is all altcoins excluding Ethereum and Bitcoin. And you're going to have the same thing, the same diagnosis with both, okay? That was the weekly for both. You're going to get a short pump of altcoins right here because the daily is oversold. So you're going to get a pump back up to this right here. And before you have it fall back down. Same thing on the total 2, right? Same thing on the total 2. You're about to get a pump. And then it's going to pump up here to this resistance. And then it's going to fall back down. Okay, so you'll have a week or two of some pumps of altcoins, and then they're gonna fall. So just keep that in mind, okay? Now go back to our 2 trades that we gave today. It is Turbo and it is Bonk. Okay, Turbo and Bonk. And right now, like I said, Turbo is coming down to form that double bottom on the daily, and you're going to get a major bounce. But in the meantime, on that 5 minute, 15 minute, it's coming down to form the double bottom. And as you can see, it's ranging. Go up, come down, bounce. Go up, come down, double bottom, bounce. Go up, come down, double bottom, bounce. All right, same thing. This is a 5 minute. Let's go to Bonk. Let's go to Bonk. Same thing on Bonk. Same thing I'm telling you. Run up, come down, run up, double bottom, run up. Come down, double bottom, run up. Now we have waiting right here for this bounce. So you can enter in right here 9074 and then take it and take the run up. Okay. So if I was able to edify you, please hit the like button, subscribe button, and leave a comment below. Let us know what you think of the video. And to the next video tomorrow, we will post the results. And if you are looking for a Discord to join our Discord. We'll leave a group, a link in the bottom for the Discord. Every day we give daily pivots for you to chart. So we kind of take out I don't know what to look at. What coin should I look at to see for a trade? We take that out of there because we provide the actual, we give you the coins that are going to pivot, are going to turn, and we'll give that to you in our Discord. Okay, we're going to open that up here real soon so that you can see. And let me pull it up to give you guys an example. We're going to open that up real soon, and I'll have the fees and everything for you guys so you can know. But every day, we give a list of coins that are about to run up, as you can see. The daily pivots. We have the weekly pivots. I tell you the coins that are about to pivot, whether they're about to pivot from falling down and start going up, or whether they're about to pivot from going up and start going down. We teach people how to trade, our trading formula. All right, and it's just an entire group with a bunch of trading information, YouTube videos, and other crypto resources. But the main thing that we do that will be beneficial to you would be the list of coins that we give you daily that are about to pivot and about to turn. Okay, so that you can take look at those, and you can take the guesswork out of charting. Take that guesswork out. Okay, and so until the next video, I bid y'all shalom, and we will post the results of today's trade. Okay, so see you guys next time. Shalom.